Hi guys, this is Dean here from Raqmedia.com. In this WordPress tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to increase PHP post maximum size in WordPress cPanel. Welcome back. So after logging in into your WordPress dashboard, you head on to your theme tab on the left in here and select system status if you have it. Otherwise, use tools, and from tools you check the site health. Here I'm gonna be using the theme system status option. Just hit it. Well done. And this is the system status tab. Here you have all the specifications, as you can see them. What is on green means it has passed the test and it is the recommended specifications and they have no problems. If any of these specifications are in red, then you need to fix them. You can check our other WordPress fixes and tutorials if you face any of these problems, as we have dealt with most of them. In today's tutorial will be helping you to fix the PHP post maximum size. As you can see it in here, it's just 8 megabytes. You want to make it more in order to avoid any problems related to your post size. To start the fix, you just need to head on to your cPanel, and from the cPanels scroll down to the PHP version, click on it, wait a few seconds until it loads. As you can see, it has loaded well. Next we move on to options, the tab option here at the top, and you scroll down until you find what we need, which is the post maximum size limit. And here it is, post maximum size. As you can see, it is 8 megabytes. You just click on the arrow. Next you select what you want. You have from 2 megabytes till 128 megabytes. We'll be selecting 64. Wait a few seconds, it has saved successfully. Let's go back to our dashboard and refresh it and check if this 8 megabytes will be changed to higher value or not. Hit refresh or F5. Voila, it has increased to 64 megabytes successfully without any problems. Keep tuned for our next WordPress tutorial, which will be showing you how to fix other errors of this script.
www.raqmedia.com.
Till then, this is your host Izzadeen. Peace. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com.